Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Product. Today we're talking about the best vegetable chopper that can completely change the way you prepare meals. If cutting and slicing vegetables feels slow and messy, this tool might be exactly what your kitchen needs. Let's take a closer look at how it works and why so many people love it. Let's get started. The Home Hacks Vegetable Chopper is designed to make meal prep faster, easier, and more enjoyable. It comes with two different sizes of chopper blades, which means you can choose between smaller or larger cuts depending on your recipe. Whether you want fine diced onions or bigger chunks of potatoes, you can get even and consistent results every time. What makes the Home Hacks Vegetable Chopper even more useful is its 5 interchangeable attachments. These allow you to slice, grate, julienne, and even separate eggs. Instead of using several different tools, you can do everything with one compact device. This saves space in your kitchen and keeps your countertop neat. It also helps you create clean and professional-looking cuts for better presentation. Safety is a big focus in the design. The Home Hacks Vegetable Chopper includes a handguard that keeps your fingers away from the sharp blades. You can press down confidently without worrying about accidental cuts. The lid handle also gives you extra leverage, making it easier to crush or chop vegetables with less effort. This means less strain on your hands while preparing meals. Another smart feature is the built-in container with a drain hole. This container collects your chopped vegetables, keeping everything in one place. The drain hole also works as a washing basket. You can rinse your ingredients directly inside the container without moving them to another bowl. This saves time and reduces extra dishes to wash later. The materials used in the Home Hacks Vegetable Chopper are also impressive. It is made from food-grade ABS plastic and strong 420 stainless steel blades. The blades use an embedded riveting structure which keeps them stable during use. This design not only improves durability, but also reduces the risk of the blades becoming loose over time. Cleaning is simple as well. The package includes a scraper and a brush to help remove small food pieces from the blades. The stainless steel rinses clean easily, so you spend less time at the sink and more time enjoying your meal. With all these features combined, the Home Hacks Vegetable Chopper can help you finish food preparation up to 10 times faster. It turns a time-consuming task into something quick and smooth, making cooking feel less like a chore and more like fun. Ready to upgrade your kitchen routine? Check the price link in the description to learn more about this handy tool. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more helpful product videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.